So we're here in Wales today visiting Gwalia Healthcare to look at medical device assembly for First Kind Limited. We try to source as much as we can within the UK and particularly within Wales, but actually our supply chain is global. We have product components coming in from the US, from China, from Denmark, Ireland, so it's quite a mix. We chose to come to Wales because we needed a partner that understood the kind of journey that we're on as a medical device business and as a young business that are anticipating enormous growth. So a partner that was capable of adapting with us and capable of allowing us to control the development of our own product, and where they can assist, they do, and where it's our primary function, they'll leave us to it and embrace that. Gwalia have been making injection moulding parts for over 40 years. So coming here and using their extensive experience made perfect sense for us. And they've recently been investing in brand new presses. They're all electric. They've got a very green footprint and they're highly capable, state-of-the-art machines. Prior to fitting our tooling onto the injection moulding press, the tools are stripped down and given a quality check in the tool room just to make sure that there aren't going to be any issues when it reaches the press. We've always chosen to manufacture within a clean room, not because we're making a sterile product, but because there are elements within our product that need a clean environment. We have to ensure that as we're making the devices, we're not contaminating inside the device and therefore causing a technical fault or an issue. And we're also very conscious of the fact that the hydrogel is in contact with human skin, and therefore we don't want any kind of particulates, contaminants getting onto the hydrogel before it reaches a patient. We used to manually assemble all of our devices, and we've now moved to a semi-automated process where we're making batches of product within the clean room using both assembly operators and some very sophisticated automated equipment. So we have the ability to run the entire line with just a single operator, or we can add further operators to give us better throughput. And we can move to a point where we have two operators assembling devices and splitting the jobs between them. Equally, we can leave a single operator doing all four of those assembly jobs prior to the next stages. After we've hand assembled the devices, they index through into an ultrasonic welding station, which welds two devices simultaneously. And we use ultrasonics to fuse the top and the bottom cases together, which prevents any chance of contamination within the product. We test all of the devices, 100% of the devices are tested, and we're looking here to check that the software is correct, that the battery is in good condition. We actually switch the devices on and check that the output is as we would expect. And all of those tests are captured and recorded and become part of the batch record. We use this laser to print the plus and minus buttons onto our device. As you can see, all the correct safety mechanisms and guarding are in place and are very important to us, both guarding of lasers and guarding of moving parts and equipment to protect our operators from any harm. Everything we've manufactured is CE marked and built in accordance to current government legislation. So we can monitor all of our automated processes from a single workstation, either here inside the clean room or remotely from anywhere in the world. All the data, including the test results, is transferred automatically to our head office for subsequent analysis. We can also view the clean room remotely. We have cameras, telephone, which is actually part of our office telephone system, so we can all talk to each other and provide remote assistance to the operators whenever they require it. Our product is not a sterile device. However, we package into sealed foil pouches in order to protect the hydrogel from drying out and to guarantee our 24-month shelf life for all of the devices. After we've packed in the clean room into the foil pouches, we then move the product out of the clean room and pack for final finished sales units in a variety of different formats. And it's packed, ready to be dispatched from here to our distribution warehouses, both in the UK and in America, or we can ship directly to our global network of distributors and partners.